All right, listen, the Mag 7, and you've heard earlier in the show, and I've been talking about this for about a week now, coming on strong. What I like, though, is there's not any fanfare. In fact, there's a lot of folks out there on Wall Street still bearish, but my next guest, he's still a fan. In fact, he's a bigger fan than ever. I want to bring in Neuberger Senior Research Analyst Dan Flax. And Dan, what's really amazing to me, so, the volatility, the implied volatility, it's come down dramatically for the Mag 7, and it's right in line with the S&P. In the meantime, the mags are breaking out. This is a golden cross. They're breaking through the 200 and the 50-day moving average. It feels like they've got some wind in their sails. How do you feel?
Charles, I like these names selectively, and I say that because you're seeing the innovation. The market's been worried about the enormous capital expenditures, Amazon spending $200 billion this year. But I think what you'll see in this first quarter results and then through the year is that you're seeing the results in key areas like Amazon Web Services. They're executing.
How do you prove, though, like, okay, if I'm an investor on Wall Street and I'm critical of that and I want return on investment, you can't do it in just 1 quarter or 2 quarters. I mean, at some point, does Wall Street have to have some vision? Or, I don't know. I feel like a lot of people who are fixated on that are going to miss the boat, right? But you brought up Amazon. Let's start with them because they made big news today. Let's call it a $12 billion acquisition. Global Star has been, this scuttlebutt's been around for a couple of weeks. The challenge Starlink. You like this deal?
I like it, the deal. It gives them additional capacity, additional spectrum. They're building out their low Earth orbit system. This will play out, Charles, over many, many years. This is a good example of the company playing the long game. And so I like it. I like the stock here.
You do like the stock. You say it's there's an underappreciated value proposition, including their strong track record. They've been through volatile times before. The advertising opportunity. Let's talk about that for a moment.
Sure. So they have a lot of different assets. For example, they have more sports, and so you have advertisers. When we speak to them, they want to advertise in the traditional e-commerce area. There's sports. There's Amazon Prime with more video, and so in many ways, this is a $60 to $70 billion business, Charles, growing double digits. We see this doubling over time. So we think advertising is a terrific opportunity for them.
Well, you know what? The stock it's just come on strong. Me personally, I believe if you break up to 255, it's going to be off to the races. So another name here. All of a sudden, these Google, right? These TPUs are on fire. So we came into the year with these TPUs actually being just sort of a major challenge, maybe even the GPUs. How important is this business? Because everyone seems to be trying to make their own chips now.
So Google's been investing in silicon for many years, and part of what they've done successfully is they've optimized the silicon for their own environments. Think about their search business. Think about YouTube. Think about their cloud business. Next year, I think we'll get visibility increasingly on $100 billion in their cloud business. TPUs are an important part of that story. And when we speak to customers, there's a lot of value they're delivering.
So last year, Gemini helped Google exit 2025 as the AI winner, de facto AI winner. Now we're seeing Claude. This is Kelsey, right? Kelsey's like, what's going to be the #1 AI model? All right, so Claude here, Gemini there. And this was a reason the stock was a little bit weak. Are they going to be able to compete?
So I think Google will be able to compete. What's important, and if I look at Anthropic or OpenAI, certainly Google, you need to have a leading large language model, but then you need to infuse it into your products to drive revenue growth. And so when Google comes out with its next update to Gemini, I suspect it'll look very good on various metrics. But we're looking for that to translate into revenue and strong growth.
Talk about Meta for a moment. Advertising. So we just talked about Google, but Meta, this could be the year, right, where they overtake Google. And of course, Meta's got a lot of irons in the fire, like all of these companies. It's starting to come on right now, starting to get over some of this, anxiety, whatever. There's a lot of reasons people didn't like it. I thought the biggest one was just they were spending too much on the metaverse.
I think the metaverse will probably, the spending there will diminish, but it's going towards AI, Charles, as we know, and the market's looking for returns. What matters, in my view, is that the core Facebook platform is healthy. Instagram, you're seeing very strong growth. There are opportunities with Threads, with WhatsApp in business. And so I would expect to see very healthy results over the next few quarters and more confidence driven by results that this company can continue executing.
You also like Apple here, iPhone demand, install base, the cycle execution. very little AI investments compared to their rivals. You're okay with that?
So we'll see more and hopefully a better Siri over the coming several months, and Apple Intelligence will see improvements. What matters here is that the iPhone installed base is continuing to increase. That helps feed the services business, which is now over $100 billion,
You just
growing
read my
double
mind.
digits.
So last quarter, the iPhone's at 85 billion, Mac, iPad, all that stuff. But look at this, services, 30 billion. And no one really kind of talks about that. Will that start to sort of influence the street, the analysts out there, maybe the share price?
I think what's happening is that Apple's business model is transforming. With each passing quarter, really each year, you see more and more services, and it's this broadening of the drivers underneath. You have the App Store, you have iCloud, you have Apple Music, TV, and so on. And so you have this dynamic where new offerings are coming out. Users, there are over 2 billion active devices. And so as that grows, services grows, and that has transformed the business model.
Dan, anytime I'm worried about the Mag 7, I know who to call.
Thanks, Charles.
Thanks a lot, buddy.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right, folks. By the way, coming up, it's an